Welcome to Morning Coffee with Birds. Here's a bit of a bird's eye view of the flock. This is my bird room, which needs cleaning. I haven't gotten that far today. We have two babies. Hello, babies. This is, let's see, that is Noor. Hi, baby. I'm getting stuff all over you. And this is Roshan, waiting on DNA tests. And there's one egg, but I can't tell if it's old or new. Then, let's see what we got in here. Hi, guys. Oh, yeah, no, nobody wants to let me see. There's 3, 4, 5. Hi. What are you doing? Are you talking? These guys have laid a few eggs, but have not been successful yet. But it would be awesome if they were. So we'll see. They're doing very well in the nest box. All right, guys. All right. Just a quick little tour. Tomorrow, I will try to introduce you to some. That's Scooter. That's Babette. Messing up their cages. Crazy. Got parakeets. I have a conure. I even have, get down. Hold on. Oops, sorry guys. I even, more cockatoos. Where are you guys? There's one. There's somebody else. She's on 2 eggs. I even have a mourning dove. This is Charlie. Conure. Chickens. 3 little chickens. I have a total of 10 now. Hi. Are you saying hi? Say hi. Scooter is the reason I started Morning Coffee with Birds. Somebody who likes to try to steal my coffee. Alrighty. Thanks for showing up for our introduction, and tomorrow I'll be back.